First thing we're going to do is open up our Cloud Shell, and let's make some variables for the CLI commands, and this will obviously reduce our requirements and needs to keep retyping in the same parameters. So the first one we're going to create is my IPM name. That's our first variable. Sorry, my IPIM name. And we're going to give it a name AZ204-APIM-$random, so it'll generate a random set of numbers for us and attach it to the name. We'll then create our location, so my location, and we're going to select West Europe, and then we're going to also create an email. So we're going to assign my email, and we're going to put an email address for it. We are now going to create a resource group for it. So a resource group will be in the name of AZ204-APIM-RG. And the location, we're going to use our location variable. We then need to create a APIM instance, but just before we do that, if you have a look above, you've got your JSON output for your resource group. Okay, so let's do the following. We're going to do AZ APIM create, and then the name of the APIM. So we're going to use the variable that we created earlier. Just to let you know, the backslash lets you continue to type your code, but it just gives you a separate line for it. Next is a location, so we're going to use my location variable. We're going to specify the email, so we're going to put publisher email, and then we're going to specify my email that we created earlier, the variable that we created earlier. We're going to give it a publisher name first. Apologies, we're going to actually create the resource group first, and then we're going to create the publisher name after. And so you got the resource group that we created earlier, AZ204-APIM-RG. Now publisher name, we're going to give that name an AZ204-APIM-demo. And after that, we're going to create a SKU, and that SKU name is going to be consumption. Okay. Now this operation can take about 5 minutes, so what I have done is I'm going to pause the recording and we're going to go straight into the next section. Okay, so as you can see now, it has been created successfully, and what we're going to do, instead of looking at the CLI, we're going to look directly into our resource group. We're going to find that resource, and we're going to look for the IPIM that we created. Okay. And there you go.